All are welcomed here. I am going to discuss how we can access our mobile through our desktop or laptop. Sometimes it might be very much helpful for us if we can access our mobile through the desktop screen. Say we want to play Android games on a bigger screen, or say sometimes we need to type messages by using keyboard. It will be helpful. So I am going to discuss how we can access our mobile by using desktop or laptop. Entering into my discussion, please subscribe. It will encourage me to upload more and more important tutorials. Different apps are available like Push Bullet, AirDroid, Visor, scrcpy, Desktop, Samsung Flow, TeamViewer, Quick Support, and lot more. We may use any one among these. Almost all have a free version as well as the paid version. We all know about the free version and paid version. No doubt paid version have more features. Here I am using scrcpy, which is a free version. To complete the task, we need to go through 3 steps. First, we need to enable USB debugging in mobile. Next, we need to connect the mobile with the computer through USB. And next, we need to run the software. One of the most advantages for using this scrcpy software is that no need to install this software in my desktop. Now showing what are the settings needed to do in mobile. We need to enter into settings. Here we need to enable USB debugging, and that USB debugging is inside developer option. This is that developer option. If we don't have the developer option, then no doubt developer option is not enabled. So in that case, we need to enable this developer option using build number. Where I will get that build number? This is Samsung Galaxy A10. It is inside this about phone. And here software information. This is build number. Now if we tap this build number in 7 times, then automatically the developer option will be enabled. This is developer option in my mobile. Entering into this developer option, here we need to search USB debugging. Here see, this is USB debugging. This USB debugging should be enabled. If we do not enable this USB debugging, then we will not be able to access my Android mobile. Setting in mobile is completed. I need to download the software. For that, opening any browser, searching scrcpy.exe. The first one is GitHub. Entering into it, say this is the github.com. This is the latest version 1.18. This is the requirement. This requires Android 5.0 at least. We need to enable ADB debugging. Next, this is for Windows. There is the software link scrcpy-win64-version 1.18.zip. Downloading this one. Download completed. Taking this file and unzipped it. I have downloaded scrcpy.exe version 1.3 also. I shall check with both versions. Now the second step, I am connecting my mobile with the desktop via USB cable. After connecting mobile with desktop, I am running software. This is scrcpy software version 1.3. I am running this scrcpy.exe. Yes, my mobile came on my desktop. I am now able to access my mobile on my desktop using mouse. So it's working. In this case, when I run scrcpy.exe, then command window opens, and after that the mobile is visible on my desktop. Now when I will close the mobile, the command window will automatically be closed. Here another exe file is here, scrcpy-noconsole.exe. If we click this one, then CMD window will not be opened. Say yes, Only this is my mobile. I can access my mobile through my desktop. So it's working perfectly. I am able to access my mobile through my desktop perfectly. There is another version of screen copy. This is version 1.18. Using that one also. In this case, this is that normal scrcpy.exe. And here, instead of scrcpy hyphen no console.exe, here it is no console.bvs. I am accessing both. First scrcpy.exe, yes. Next scrcpy no console.bvs. Okay, nice. So from this discussion, we have learned how to access our Android mobile by using screencopy.exe. In next tutorial, I will discuss if scrcpy.exe creates any problem to run on desktop or laptop, how to solve it. Please subscribe, put your comments and queries in comment section.